The firm, founded by Paul Garberman in 1947, saw the formation of a partnership between Jack Winslow and Paul Garberman. John J. Bennett Sr. and George Ronald Deck became partners in 1967. Andrew Garnell Jr. joined as a partner in 1974, and Bill Waskey Jr. became a partner in 1986. John Bennett Jr., the son of John Bennett Sr., became a partner in 1994. In the 2000s, we had a record addition to the firm, which was the first woman partner, myself, and that was in 2005. In 2014, we merged with another firm. That's when we brought in John Stringer. And lastly but not least, in 2020, we added Barrett Young as our newest partner. Our partnership agreement was built with automatic succession planning included. Basically, we knew as a partner when we signed the agreement that at age 60, we would have to retire. Notably, the firm has a unique record of never losing a partner except for retirement, and it's over 75 years of existence. Over the years, GWCPA has struggled to find their identity. We just went through a rebranding process to figure out really who we are, what our values are, and where we see ourselves going, which really builds the legacy that we hope to leave behind. The foundation of our legacy will be built on our values of accountability, empathy, foresight, and empowerment. We have been leading the accounting profession with technology since the beginning. Our mainframe computers in the 80s was used to support other accounting firms with their processing needs. We moved to paperless processing environment and remote working long before COVID-19. We were early adopters of artificial intelligence and continue to lead the way in innovation and automation for GW. We annually evaluate technology and processes to determine if change is needed. We also compensate our team members for technology adoption and implementation. At GW, the leadership doesn't just talk the talk, we walk the walk. We have over 1,000 hours annually of volunteer time in organizations that directly support the CPA profession. This includes the AICPA, the MACPA, the Auditing Standards Board, the State Licensing Board. There are numerous organizations that we volunteer our time to support the profession and make it a better place for future CPAs. My third legacy for GW is learning. As CPAs, we're required to get continued education, but GW goes above and beyond that. We don't just do our regular 40 hours of TPE every year, and it's just not a requirement for CPAs. That goes for everyone in our team. Not only do we support it, we actually pay for it. Whether it's college courses to get their degree, or just continuous learning to elevate them to a higher level of service. We believe education and continuous learning makes GW a better place to be. Continuous learning ensures that everyone remains relevant, that they can effectively contribute to their roles at GW, which gives GW a competitive advantage. At GW, we have two missions. The first mission is to support small business with their succession planning and transferring their businesses on to the next generation. We've all heard the horror stories of working in public accounting. It's really one of the main issues. We have a pipeline issue into our profession. It's the long hours, it's the low pay, it's the more work, more volume, and less value. Here at GW, our second mission is to change public accounting now by elevating our team, because we use technology, elevating them to the next level of client service and relationships. And by doing that, we'll be able to shift work away from the deadlines that we cannot control, the March 15th, the April 15th, even the extended deadlines. It's about communicating our value and shifting the deadlines that are related to byproducts of the service we provide. We are very excited to be leading the profession with this initiative. And I know if anybody can get this done, it's definitely GWCPA.